What's up, you guys? I am at Impulse Performance. We are going to install my Skunk2 upper control arms. The ones that are on the car are really worn out. I need to replace my lower control arm for the right front, and then a trailing arm bushing for the left front for the upper control, lower control arm, and then the right rear trailing arm bushing. I would have gotten to use a lift, but they've got two cars that are stuck on here. So it's their day off. They said that, we can come in and start working on my car to get ready for a track day. And with the appreciation of them letting me use their shop here, I'm going to grill for them. And it's a tiny ass grill. I thought they had a bigger grill, but we'll make it work. Alright, these are my Skunk2 Racing upper control arm camber kit. See, part number here. Let me do a quick unboxing here for you guys. Break this seal. Ooh, fancy. I normally buy eBay shit, so I don't ever get nothing fancy like this. Skunk2 owner's kit. Upper control arms. Alright. Let's get this car lifted. Okay. Walking around the whole shop, and I can't find any jack stands. So I have to wait for Neng to get back so I can be safe working underneath my car, at least. So yeah, there's that. I might as well light the charcoal.
Actually, yeah.
Let's compare this thing.
Yeesh. They made it work.
Yeah, they made it work. They cut it right here. That's why.
Oh, the right one, right? I don't think so. It's probably for something else, though.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. See how far we're gonna go on camera this. That's an old trick, right? One finger gap. That's how you used to do it. You don't have to use one finger gap.
It is tore up already. Surprisingly, these eBay coilovers have been doing pretty good. Yeah. The DNA ones, they're better than the other eBay ones I bought for the sedan. The sedan one is like super mushy. Oh yeah, shit. Just flip it.
So make this easy. Lower this down. I don't know how much room we're gonna get, but
Yeah, England was down on this side.
oh, sitting.
What up?
Does it work today?
No, I do, but I'm debating.
This guy.
No, I work at 2, but I'm debating.
It didn't come with a new carpet up here? No. Okay.
Or just a second unit, right?
Yeah, that's it.
That's a lot of work, too.
Alright, so had to take a small break. My battery life was dying. We got the new upper control arm, lower control arms, brand new. We're just taking a break right now and eating lunch. Gotta button this up for a little bit. Both of these are the older ones. And then we're probably gonna just do the front today. The rears, we'll probably have to wait until I actually have a lift to do, so it's easier.
I remember something I was supposed to bring to you. Someday. Yeah, I know. It's like side bring this shit home with us. You want this shit? Great.